Choosing your hotel is often one of the biggest challenges when planning your vacation. It's like every time you check and compare prices, they have skyrocketed as high as an eagle could carry its prey. Last year, I was planning a getaway to Bali. I had everything mapped out perfectly. But when it came to hotels, the prices were sky high. I spent hours scrolling through page after page, feeling more frustrated by the minute. And I am sure many of you have been in the same boat, right? Well, today I have got some great news for you. I am going to share some secrets on how to find and book incredible hotels for your trip within reasonable prices. Secrets that travel pros use, and they have saved me hundreds on my trips. And by the end of this video, you will be booking like a pro too. And guess what? We have a special giveaway that you won't want to miss. So stick around as we begin. Usually, price of a hotel room changes so drastically from one day to the next. Why? Well, because it's influenced by a few key factors such as time of the year, location, or event. Let's start with something you probably already know about, but might not be using it wisely. Price comparison websites. Sites like Booking.com, Expedia, and Trivago can help you filter through thousands of hotels to find the one that's perfect for you at a price that's even better. Let me show you how to master these tools. First up, filters and sorting options. When you enter your destination and dates, you will be bombarded with options. You can narrow down your search based on your preferences like price range, hotel star rating, user reviews, and even amenities like free Wi-Fi or breakfast included. And don't forget to sort the results by price to see the cheapest options first. Another pro tip is to use the map view feature. This is especially useful if you are not familiar with the area. The map not only shows you where each hotel is located, but also the price per night. This visual layout allows you to spot patterns. Maybe hotels are cheaper a little away from the main attractions or right in the city center. Sometimes just moving your stay a few blocks away can dramatically drop the prices. Now, another game changer is flexibility with your travel dates. This one might sound simple, but hotel prices can vary dramatically depending on the day of the week, major holidays, or even local events. For example, staying in a hotel from Monday to Friday can often be cheaper than over the weekend. Similarly, avoiding travel during peak seasons or around big events can lead to huge savings. Means you can save just by shifting your trip by a day or two. The same room, just a lot cheaper. So, how do you make this work for you? When you're searching for hotels on those comparison sites we talked about, play around with your check-in and check-out dates. Most platforms have a calendar view that shows the price fluctuations over the days or even weeks. This visual can quickly show you the cheapest days to stay at a hotel. Moving on to another exciting way to save, mystery deals and mobile exclusives. Mystery deals like those on hotwire.com offer significantly discounted hotel rates, but you will not know the hotel's name until after booking. Here's how to use them safely. Start by checking the hotel's rating, amenities, and location provided. Compare these clues to known hotels to guess where you might stay. Additionally, many booking platforms offer extra discounts when you book through their mobile apps. These apps often send push notifications for flash sales and exclusive deals, giving you an edge on savings just by using your smartphone. Now let's talk about rebooking strategies that can save you even more on your hotel stays. Even after you have booked a hotel, keep an eye on the price. If you notice a price drop for the same room type and dates, you can often cancel and rebook at the lower rate, but always check the terms before you make your initial booking, as most booking sites don't offer free cancellation policies. To assist in tracking hotel prices, you can employ tools such as openhotelalert.com. This service sends you notifications if a room becomes available at a lower price or if sold-out accommodations open up, which allows you to seize opportunities to adjust your booking and capitalize on lower rates, and ensures you always get the best deal possible. Now next, memberships with organizations like Costco can give you access to exclusive rates on hotels, reduced prices on travel packages, and additional benefits that aren't available to the general public. Additionally, joining hotel loyalty programs, such as those offered by Hilton, Marriott, and Hyatt, can be incredibly rewarding. Earned points with each stay can be redeemed for free nights, room upgrades, free Wi-Fi, late checkouts, and even welcome bonuses, so that you can enjoy a higher level of service while also saving money on every trip. Next, understanding cancellation policies can be a powerful strategy for securing the best hotel rates. Many hotels offer free cancellation up to a certain point before your stay, typically 24 to 48 hours in advance. This policy allows you to keep looking for better deals even after booking. If a lower rate appears, you can cancel your original reservation without penalty and rebook at the cheaper price. A savvy technique involves initially booking a refundable room for your preferred dates, then periodically checking for price drops or better deals as your travel date approaches. If you find a cheaper rate close to your travel dates, you can extend your initial booking further into the future, assuming the cancellation policy still applies, and then rebook your stay at the lower rate. Afterwards, you can cancel the extended booking. This method ensures you always have a room secured while still allowing you to take advantage of any last-minute deal. Also, exploring local secrets and lesser-known websites can offer unique and cost-effective accommodation options that aren't typically featured on major travel sites. One such hidden gem is Red Week, a platform for timeshare rentals, which offer larger spaces and resort-like amenities at a fraction of the cost. Means you can access these premium accommodations at significantly reduced rates. Additionally, booking directly through local hotel websites or smaller niche travel platforms might also provide benefits like complimentary upgrades, late checkouts, or special welcome amenities to guests who book directly. As we wrap up today's guide on how to book hotels at cheaper prices, I hope you feel equipped with new strategies to tackle your next trip more wisely, to make travel more affordable and enjoyable for you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our travel hacks. And now the exciting part, our giveaway. We are giving away a travel voucher for a 2-night hotel stay to one lucky subscriber. Here's how you can enter. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Essential Travel Tips, and Instagram, EssentialTips47. Comment below this video, sharing where you would go with this prize and why. Maybe you have always dreamed a city of exploring, or perhaps a relaxing beach escape. Tell us why you chose that destination. The winner will be announced on 28th September 2024 on our Instagram story A. So make sure you are following us there to find out if you have won. Thank you so much for watching and happy travels. Let's make your next hotel booking the best deal yet. To get more exciting videos on easy-peasy hotel booking, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you're looking to have a detailed video of these tips, hit the bell icon and be the first to watch our upcoming video.